everybody, and welcome back to Joystick.
Hello.
We are joined here with Verilator Lupus and me, Jelix Fun, and I'm doing a little dance with Om.
Om?
Yeah, O-A-O-E-M. Om.
Oh.
But anyways,
Oh.
yeah, in the last episode you saw me misspell truth, and we made you wait a whole day or whenever this episode comes out to figure out what it said. So, you can hate me if you want, but it's still not going to change the fact that
We had to
learn
wait.
the truth.
We had to wait too.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we'll go with that.
We had to wait like 2 minutes.
Cover up truth.
Showdown. It's a boss battle!
Oh boy, I'm glad we waited an episode to do this. I kind of figured that's why I did it in the last one.
Are you supposed to hit him with stuff? With words? I don't understand.
Oh man,
Son of a bitch.
That guy's been following us. I don't even know what he's made out of. What words he is.
He has red. He made that thing red. Oh.
Oh gosh. Is he gonna make doom, hate, and fear? I'm gonna have to fight all these guys, or what's going on?
Evil.
Oh no. Yeah, I don't look very happy about that right now.
Oh.
Oh, that is kind of ominous.
I don't know how we're gonna hurt this guy.
Oh gosh.
He's the one who ate our angel.
Yeah, man. Does it have like a little H inside of his heart? Oh gosh.
Oh, he is creepy.
I'm gonna see that in my nightmares.
Wait, maybe you can write harm. Can you summon an H? No, you cannot. Okay, well, I don't know how we're gonna win this.
I'm scared.
Do you have a hint?
I am scared. The hints. There's no hints.
What is that?
Oh my gosh,
What is
darkness. Oh well, that was the end of me right there. Is this like the end of the game? Are we in the last episode?
I don't know, man.
What am I supposed to do?
Look up to the skies.
Okay.
Watch
At least I'm
out
safe
for
inside this.
surprise.
Oh my gosh, I'm not safe in here.
Cloud it flies and reaches
Get up,
for
get up,
the
get up.
stars. Prepare
It's really hard to do things with one arm, so I'm a handicap man.
Then we'll take
going on?
a trip
What's going on?
No, get out of those.
Oh! Get up, 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 get up. Oh, I just got freaking crushed.
Hang on, we'll be there soon.
Well, I'm screwed. I couldn't choose which way to go. Oh, what am I
We'll
supposed to
be
do?
the first to go.
Oh, you just got jumping? Are you serious?
Say hello.
Oh, is it on now?
Summon things.
That glow on Jupiter
lever?
and Mars.
No. That
Prepare
gives you
for the race. Then we'll take a trip right to outer
stuck.
space.
You broke it.
or changed it.
Who
I'm
knows
stuck.
what we might see?
Ow!
Out in the
It's already
galaxy.
pulled. Pull it.
Hang on, we'll be there soon.
What?
I can't.
Did you supposed to do? Jump over and push it inside.
Hey-ya! Yeah.
Play with the
Oh,
satellites.
Jiminy got me.
Race past the noise.
Oh my gosh, I forgot about it.
Hang on, we'll be there soon.
Down. Oh my gosh!
Maybe land on the moon. Take a trip to outer space.
Did I break the game?
Better not. See, once you look, hold on. I think it does damage when you get him into a certain one.
I think it's just the time.
See, look. And it does 8. Boom.
I think that makes him stronger, actually.
Dick.
I get back down. He's covering the... Okay, good. You move the same. Cool. Get up. Oh, get up!
What? Oh
This is
my god.
turning into a rage game. Oh boy. There's not even a hint right now because there's non-stop movement. Bet Trace wishes he was here.
What if we...
This might actually be the last boss. This is like last boss-ish. Now. Alright, right trigger now. not A, but you're pressing B, not A. Right, hold right trigger, man. Oh, never mind. I have no clue.
Shut up, you bitch. I think it's broken.
Should we reload the game? Well, I think the lever's broken. Restart. Now. Alright, the lever's fixed. Pull it, then go over to the left and activate the thing and write good.
Oh god.
Oh, it worked. Oh! Did that work?
Yeah, I guess so.
Go back to the thing and write more good?
Wait.
Oh, shoot.
Yes, so I didn't break it. I shut it off. Was that life? What do we make out of that?
Alright, we're back, everyone. I think we figured it. We had to restart the game because I think I broke it in the last one.
The lever was already broken the entire time.
Yeah, so
So I gotta make live for this one and eat a hate thing?
yeah, make life.
I gotta eat it, I gotta make live.
I don't think so. One. Jump. Wrong
Oh,
timing. I'm
come
sorry. I'm so
on.
sorry. Now. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. You know what? You're probably better off doing it yourself. Now. Yeah, the lever's not broken. Yay. Alright, so safe. Oh, jeez. You don't have the E. Go back.
I made it.
No, you didn't. You forgot the E. There we go. Yeah, this is how you're supposed to do it.
Close the lever, please don't be broken. again.
Okay, okay. That was stupid. It broke the lever. I was just changing the things. You just stay alive. Shoot. It has to be a 4-letter word, apparently.
It's got a hole in them.
Now. The lever's over there?
I have to pull both. Oh god.
Doom?
I don't. Oh god.
Oh, jeez.
How am I supposed to dodge him?
You just go underground, I think. What's the opposite of Doom? Do we remember?
Fuck. We can make a lie. Oh. At least it
Yeah,
it
not
saves though. It saves look, he still has a hole in him.
Alright, go down. Now backtrack and get to the other lever. See? Ah, he's like, what?
Now what do I have to do?
Alright, gotta pull the other lever. Oh gosh. Run, 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 run.
Oh, he just helped him. Just
Alright,
healed
right, save, S-A-V-E. Okay, that one worked apparently. Oh, wow. What do you know? Now he's got, like, disco nipples. Yeah, I said it. What are you gonna do about it?
him. Okay, cool. They fix themselves, I think.
Alright, good. No.
You should.
Oh, no! Oh. Life. You can make life out of this. Whew! It's getting intense.
Lie or life?
Life. Just make life, because I think you don't have to worry about changing the person. I think you just have to... Nah. Yeah, when his mouth closes, you're right. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh, it's the worst guy. Oh, no! I think you're screwed.
Oh, there's three levers now?
Oh, you're gonna die. I'm sorry.
They're screwed.
Oh, man, this is messing with
Jesus.
my brain.
Yeah, I can't. Did I pull it?
Yeah, you pulled it. I think you're gonna die.
He needs to leave. You need to leave.
Oh gosh, you can see the poison crawling up over the thing. Oh, you're about to die. Oh, it's getting worse. Maybe if you get life, you'll be fine. No, pull that lever. Forgot the lever.
I know, it's right there.
You're the right one.
I know, that's what I'm going for.
Oh, I see. You're afraid.
I can't. I'm scared of him.
I'm scared.
I don't.
Oh gosh, are we gonna? This is like trippy.
That ain't fair!
This is like Surfing Simulator.
This isn't fair. I'm trippy balls and he's healing.
Jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, no, Scoob. I'm good.
Like Scoob.
Oh, that lightning is messing with my head right now. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Alright. Now we have to pull all 3 levers. Alright.
Yeah, let's use multiple.
Alright, grab that lever on the far. There we go. Get that one.
Leave me alone.
Oh gosh.
Leave me alone!
Just pull it real quick.
No.
Fine.
Guess he'll go back the other way.
Yeah, but at least we won't be trippy anymore.
Did I pull that one?
Alright. How long can we stay tripped out? Like, is this just like forever now? Alright.
What was it?
Go. It's life. F. At least it re-scrambles the words for you. That's pretty cool. We don't have to fix the word.
But I think I'm tripping forever.
Until you die. Oh, is this the end? 3 is the magic number in video games. Oh, never mind. He's changing things and I can't read it. Good.
I died.
Oh well. That's good. At least you'll be fine now.
But I think what the
What the hell?
Oh my god! What the?
That was bull!
Oh my god!
I caught that on the capture, man. You guys saw that? Like, what the hell just happened? That wasn't me editing. Alright, it's good, the next word you have to make. This is like an intense game of Scrabble. That's all I have to say.
And if you lose, you die.
You lose the game, you lose in real life. Death by Scrabble. Now! I was wrong. His mouth didn't close all the way. You can yell at me too.
There's the oxys.
Deoxys. At least he's like the same thing. Like, it doesn't change anything up really. You killed my angel friend. For that I shall smite thee. Alright, pull that lever.
Alone, Deoxys.
Don't trip balls. Get on the other side. Go underground. Yeah, this is a lot more smoother than last time. Alright, good.
What
Now,
do I
right,
make?
good.
Come on, did you seriously just save him?
Yeah, that's right. Eat my letters. I think the levers...
Oh, I just won.
Oh, did you? Oh, you changed them. Ooh. I don't like that.
I think I made him good. No, we did.
No. We killed him with kindness. High five!
Oh,
yeah!
shit.
Okay. Oh, jeez. What's that guy? Defeat.
Failed.
Failed. Is he gonna say death? No. What is that guy, anyways? He's...
Oh.
Death.
Life and death.
Whoa. Whoa!
Disco party! This was cool.
Yeah. Whoa! It's kind of a juxtaposition with all that color and all like the darkness in this level. Dude,
We get caught by his hand.
fate.
You can't change fate. Is there gonna be a Typo Man too? We're in his hand right now. He better not crush us.
His eye, ew.
His eye's gone. We're stuck in his hand.
Is he gonna crush us? He better not crush us. He's gonna eat us. Oh, are you serious?
Is this seriously how it ends?
I never even got my arm. Wait.
We're gonna become him.
No,
We're
he
gonna-
ate our arm, remember? Do you think? Maybe? We're gonna find his arm? Oh. I know what it says.
Love?
No. Hero.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
He was my hero.
That's why. What's that?
That's his other arm.
Yeah. Hero. Hope! Hoper. Whoa!
Wait, that made no sense. What's a hoper?
Someone who hopes.
Hoper.
I am a hope.
Oh, no, okay!
We're Hoper Simpson. Oh, we're badass now. And we got the angel wings.
We are a fucking knight in shining armor right now.
Oh, man. We weren't Ohm. We were a hero. But now we're a Hoper. Shut up, freaking timer.
Way to ruin it. Bane. The bane of my existence. Boom.
Ruth.
We're going through time right now.
Ruth. We're fixing the world, man. With all the corrupted words. All the typos. Faith. Fate. Hope. Life. Light. Bliss. Miracle. Mercy. Love. Oh, that gave me the chills.
I know, give me the chills too.
Ooh. Typo Man. Yeah! Oh, beautiful, beautiful game. Beautiful art, like a storyline that like you can make up for your own.
Oh yeah.
Like it wasn't overcomplicated. Beautiful music, cool concepts. Overall, probably the best series I've played on my channel so far.
I'd give it an 8 or 9 out of 10.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Especially it was only like it's on the Wii U.
Yeah.
You can. It's like $15 plus tax. It's not that much. It was like about 2 hours of gameplay, right? Oh man. So yeah, you guys should definitely come back and play this game. Buy this game for yourself. I would recommend. I might actually go back and play this through myself, so I don't have to worry about editing and all that. Maybe I'll catch some more of the story that I didn't catch. If you guys have any more ideas about the game and what this world is, leave it in the comments. Tell us if you like this and if you want to see more.
Yeah, that was good. That was a good game.
Alright, we're going to wait till the end of the credits to see if there's anything we might have missed. So, yeah. Lee Dickert. That's a great name. Oh my god, this is like all made by Lee Dickert and like Zen Okoko. Lee Dickert and Zen Oko.
And Simon Kick
And
Arts.
Simon, he's the assistant artist.
Kick ass.
Kick arts. He kick arts.
Sonic Picnic.
Oh wow. And then music was made by Jorek Goldwidgig.
Stefan Letower, Wouter Maselic, Tom Daysmith.
Published by Head Up Games and Co.
I definitely want to know if they've made any other games like this, like what the producers have made.
Executive producer was Markel Aldrup.
Because this was a really good game, though. Like,
Yeah.
it had like, even though the textual design wasn't fantastic, it was still
It was a nice
beautiful.
art style.
was a
It worked for
beautiful
the game, yeah. Mark Aldrup. He was the producer. That doesn't mean he didn't make the game, though.
He was the executive producer.
Special thanks to... This is an indie game.
The story, though, man. I want to know.
It was a little bit broken, but...
What was her wing? What did the angel wings say?
I don't know. Save, I think.
No, because that's what it formed. It had an S and an E in it.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it was like I don't know, Typo Man. That was a great game, man.
A Brain Seed Factory production.
Sonic Picnic. Head Up Games, Film, and Media and Software in New York.
This was made in 2015, or copyrighted then, so it's only like a year old. Trace wasn't here. And that's the end of the game. Oh, wow. Jeez. That was beautiful.
Well, I think you should like and subscribe to become a Wolfer Key today.
Show your friends this. Like, it's a pretty beautiful game. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like this game, and hopefully, thanks to you guys, we can do even more beautiful games like this or cool games in the future.
Let us leave in the comment section if you want to see like some horror games or something.
Or if you
like
have
that
any
type
ideas of
stuff.
games you want to see, leave it in the comments.
Leave a like and subscribe.
We're gonna lock it down. Subscribe, become a key today to unlock future content, and bye, guys.
Bye bye.